Welcome to the Well-Traveled Mom. Now I've teamed up with 2 other mommies to bring you our tips for traveling with kids. Welcome back to the Well-Traveled Mom. Now I've teamed up with 2 other mommies to give you all of our traveling tips.
I have a little girl that's 20 months old and I travel solo with her all the time.
These are my tips to traveling with kids. So my number 1 tip to traveling with kids is to travel with a stroller. It makes it so much easier when you're going through the airport or you're having to handle or manage bags.
So this is my favorite portable baby stroller. It's by the brand COLLAB. It's so small in size, but it's so convenient for traveling purposes. The design actually allows you to one-handedly fold and compress the stroller so that it fits in most overhead compartments. It's a perfect on-the-go companion when traveling with your little one.
My second tip is to utilize the newborn swaddles. You can take it with you on an airplane and pack it along in your carry-on bag. It's really small so it doesn't take up much space, but lay it out on the floor of the airplane right in between your seat and the seat in front of you, and it gives them a clean area to play around in when the seatbelt sign is off and there's no turbulence. A tip inside of a tip is to try to get the first row of an airplane because usually there's more legroom for your child to play around in. My third tip is to use packing cubes. This helps you stay organized while traveling. You can color coordinate per family member, but also it comes in various sizes, so it helps you just stay organized wherever you are on your journey.
Hi, I'm Jessica from the YouTube channel, The Fife Life. I'm a mom of 1 sweet baby girl, and these are my travel tips. Number 1, don't overpack, especially for baby essentials like diapers and wipes. I used to pack half my suitcase with just diapers. I learned that you can always go to the store wherever you're going and just buy diapers there. Number 2, don't pack the night before. If you're up until midnight and then your flight leaves at 4, you're not going to get any sleep. Traveling is hard enough, so make sure that you get a good night's sleep before your day of travel. Number 3, make sure you have a really good bag with a lot of pockets. My favorite diaper bag right now is from Alice Unique. It can fit so much. I actually made a YouTube video about this bag if you want to go check it out. It'll give you some more info, but have a bag with a lot of pockets that help you stay organized. All right, those are my 3 top travel tips. I hope they help you this summer as you travel with your family.
Hi, I'm Courtney of the Sweetest Little Life. I'm also a mommy to 3 littles. 1 is 6 months, 1 is 4, and 1 is 8. I travel quite a bit, and I just recently did a road trip by myself for 7 hours with all 3 kids. The way I survived, I wanted to share with you. Also, summer is coming up, so I wanted to give my top 3 tips for summer travel. 1, always bring a stroller, always bring a leash. Those 2 things for my 4-year-old who likes to wander have been a lifesaver. I can keep track of all of them, not lose anyone, and everything is nice and organized. I also like to not put time management that is not realistic on myself. About every 2 hours, I plan to stop somewhere fun like a lake or a park and let them stretch their legs, let them go potty so there's no pressure, nothing along the road. If you're flying, you can also fly at ideal travel times. You know when your kids nap, you know when they go to bed, you know when they wake up. Plan around that so you have the easiest and most smooth travel possible to your destination. Don't overpack. You can always get stuff while you're there. You don't need 100 outfits. It's nice to keep it simple, but make sure you have all the necessities. Last thing, always bring snacks. Whether you're flying or driving, hungry kids are angry kids and we don't want that. So make sure that they are well fed and they have water. You also want to stay away from sugary drinks like juice or soda, because when you're buckled in on a plane for hours or you're driving in a car for hours in a car seat, it can get a little bit antsy for them. I hope these help and I hope everyone has a fabulous summer and safe travels. Bye!
Thank you so much to Jessica and Courtney for contributing to this video. I have linked all of their information in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed our tips, and remember, wherever your summer travels take you, the journey is always better because we share it together. Have fun!